What can I really say? What can you really say about what? Just some, just some piano songs. What, I gotta defend everything I put on YouTube? What are you talking about? These are just some piano songs we recorded. And kind of felt like we should share them tonight. And also, because these are all cover songs, we won't get any ad revenue. I know, we always get it's not really a, what do they call it? It's not a copyright strike, but it's a copyright notification that Big Brother will be taking all our ad revenue. Anyway, it doesn't matter. BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. The show is dedicated to our cousin Missy. You're going to dedicate the whole show to Missy? That's right. Because she's right here. Hey, Missy, what's going on? Missy says, hi, how weird. I just messaged you. Oh, did you really? Yeah, I guess I'm not on Facebook right now. I'm going to do this show. But this show are beautiful piano songs on a beautiful winter night. Missy is sort of the unsung hero. There's a couple of them, actually. But she's been really supportive of the show. And so we appreciate you, cuz. This first song is called, I don't know what it's called. Once there was this kid who got into an accident and couldn't come to school. But when he finally came back, his hair had turned from black into bright white. He said that it was from when the car had smashed him so hard. Then there was this girl who wouldn't go and change with the girls in the change room. But when they finally made her, they saw birthmarks all over her body. She couldn't quite explain it, they'd always just been there. That boy and girl were glad, 'cause one kid had it worse than that. 'Cause then there was this kid whose parents made him come directly home right after school. And when they went to their church, they shook and lurched all over the church floor. He couldn't quite explain it, they'd always just gone there.
Help me, Clarence! Get me back! Get me back! I don't care what happens to me! Get me back to my wife and kids! Help me, Clarence, please! I want to live again. I want to live again. I want to live again. Please, God, let me live again. Hey, George! George! You all right? Hey, what's the matter? Now get out of here, Bert, or I'll hit you again. Get out of here. What the Sam Hill you yelling for, George? George? Bert, do you know me? Know you? You kidding? I've been looking all over town trying to find you. I saw your car piled into that tree down there, and I thought maybe you... Hey, your mouth's bleeding. Are you sure you're all right? What you... My mouth's bleeding, Bert! My mouth's bleeding! Zuzu's pedals. Zuzu... There they are! Bert! What do you know about that? Merry Christmas!
There is a house built out of stone, wooden floors, walls, and window sills, tables and chairs worn by all of the dust. This is a place where I don't feel alone. This is a place where I feel at home. Out in the garden where we planted the seeds, there is a tree as old as me. Branches were sown by the color green. Ground had rose and past its knees. By the cracks of the skin, I climbed to the top. I climbed the tree to see the world. When the gust came around to blow me down, held on as tightly as you held on me. Held on as tightly as you held on me. Hikes and turn to dust. I don't know, man. I like that song, but what? That's no way to... It's time to leave and turn to dust. Oh, yeah, it's just heavy. Just heavy. Hey, bonjour, everyone. Welcome to the Just Some Piano Songs edition of BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and fire that we can turn up the volume on. Yeah. I want to hear the crackle. You want to hear the crackle of the fire? Yeah. You know, it's cozy. And it also covers up the fan noise. Yeah. So, how you doing? Some beautiful piano music. You know, I'm a really bad piano player. I can barely call myself a piano player. Yeah, but you play the piano every day. I play piano. Yeah, I play with the piano. But I have no idea what I'm doing. Little secret for you guitar players out there. Sit down at a piano for a while. A lot of the skills in picking, finger picking and chording and stuff sort of translates on the piano. But having said that, you know, I'm a much better guitar player than I am a piano player. So, you know, sue me. But this next song is a beautiful piano song about unrequited love. Unrequited love! You want to explain what unrequited love means? Yes. Unrequited is when you love somebody, but they don't love you back. It's a love-hate relationship. You love them, they hate you. What is wrong with us that we fall in love with people who don't love us back? You know? So this song is called... Oh, and this song, what it's really about is finally saying, you know what? I think we're done. I love you. You don't love me back. Let's sleep on it. But, uh-oh, here comes the siren, sweetie. Justice will be served. What? That's a cop car. You think it's a cop or is it an ambulance? I can't tell the difference. Oh, I think it's an ambulance. It's heading straight for the old folks' home. Oh, well, there you go. Here comes another elder god. Have a fun journey. I shouldn't joke. Anyway, this is I Can't Make You Love Me If You Don't. Turn down the light, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me closely, don't patronize. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, these final hours, I will lay down my I feel the power that you won't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. If you don't. I'll close my eyes, then I won't see the love you don't feel when you're holding me. Morning will come, I'll do what's right. Just give me that, and I'll give up the fight. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart, and I feel the power that you won't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. If you don't. On the piano, Michael Lyons. Hey everybody, how's it going? I just realized something. What's that? I think we might be, I hate to say it. What? We're like the stoners version of the Muppet Show. What? We're like the grown-up next generation of the Muppet Show. You know how the Muppets will get out and sing songs and, you know, it's time to start the show. And it was all like wholesome or whatever. Laugh track and comedy bits. But it was also music. It was a music show. The Muppet Show. That's what we are now. Yeah. Why do you think it's a stoners? I don't know, because it's all chill. Hey, BOOZHOO everyone. Welcome to our chilled out piano songs edition of BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. But, you know, yesterday we were talking about, we got interviewed recently, and they asked us, oh, who were your influences? And I said, my influences? Well, huge, big David Bowie fan. Big Kiss fan. I don't know. My influences? The paintings of Adolf Hitler? I don't know. What do you mean? And then it occurred to me, you mean Jim Henson? Yeah, of course. Jim Henson is the godfather of this whole art form. A Muppet is a mouth puppet. And when I was a little guy, there was Sesame Street. And then when I got old enough to care about like rock and roll music, they gave me The Muppet Show. And then when I was a teenager, they gave me Labyrinth with David Bowie. And all along, Jim Henson was there, singing songs and all this stuff. So I have to, if I'm being honest, you know, if without Jim Henson, I would not even be alive. There'd be no such thing as BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You know, that doesn't mean I can make him love me. 'Cause I can't make you love me, Winnie Moo Shane. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Yeah. You know who's a great female singer? Who's that? Stevie Nicks. Really? Yeah. I don't care. All you haters can just go away. You know, I like Stevie Nicks. I don't care if she was whatever. This is Landslide. You better believe it. I don't know. What do you think? How about Landslide? Landslide? Yeah, okay. Took my love and I took it down. Climbed a mountain and I turned around. And I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills till the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love? Can a child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tide? Can I sail through the season of my mind? Well, I've been afraid of changing 'cause I built my life around you. We knew shame. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. I've been afraid of changing 'cause I lived my life around you. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Oh, I'm getting older too. Take my love, take it down. Climb a mountain, I turn around. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, landslide will bring it down. If you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, the landslide will bring it. Landslide will bring it down. Oh, sweetie, that was beautiful. Thanks, sweetie Machine. Hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, and tears come streaming down your face. When you lose something you can't replace, love someone, but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. High above or down below, when you're too in love to let it go, when you never try, you'll never know just what you're worth. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you. A lot of nice guys out there. It's not just Johnny Depp. I know everybody's, oh gee, that poor Johnny Depp. And birds slapped him around. I heard of the fear of bruising. There's a lot of guys there who have to put up a lot of nonsense. Damage. Women who have bad guys. Women who have burned high school. Women who thought they were in love with somebody, had a baby with them, and then ran away. You're there to pick up the pieces. You're like, hey honey, let's have a relationship. And she's got all this baggage. She won't trust you. She's self-destructive. She's got self-esteem issues, you know, and you gotta put up with a lot of stuff. Because you want to fix her. You know what she actually needs? Needs a man like me. You know, it's like how I fixed you, huh, honey? You never fixed me. You know, I saw you there crying around in the gutter. I was like, you know what? Fix it. You know what you never see? What's that? A really beautiful homeless girl. What do you mean? Because somebody's, you know, gonna fix that girl. She's beautiful. She's not gonna just wander the streets. There'll be some nice guy going, hey man, hey, why don't you come home with me? Your bones, and I will try to fix you. Okay. Sweetie, you got such a beautiful voice. Oh, get out of here. Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and the talented Natasha. All right. Well, should we call it a show? Yeah, let's call it a short show. You have been listening to the Adult Evening Music Podcast. Not even about Ojibwe. We didn't teach any Ojibwe. It's just been about music tonight. I want to say miigwech bizandawiyeg. Thank you for listening. And miigwech ganawabieg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. A podcast about Ojibwe language and culture and conspiracy theories and celebrity gossip. And tonight, just about some piano music, huh, sweetie? Yep. Alright. Sweetie, you want to teleport me outside? You want to go outside? Yeah. Okay, one to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Oh, it's not working. You gotta wiggle the thingy. Yeah, wiggle the thingy and push the button. Yep.